Hello everyone, my name is Yoav Waxman and I'm Professor of Economics at Coastal Carolina University. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send your student email reminders using Outlook template. An advantage of using a template is that you can reopen the same email, tweak it, and send it again. You can also add files such as your syllabus to the template. To begin, open Outlook and click on New Email at the top left corner. This would open an email message such as this, and you can write down the subject line what the email is about. So this is going to be class reminders. And you can add your message in the body of the email, but to save time, I already prepared the message. I'm just going to cut it and paste it by pressing Control V. In this message, I tell my students what lesson we're covering today, what chapter they need to read, what video they need to watch, and what assignment they need to complete. I also like to include my schedule for that particular section in the body of the email. And what I do is I can highlight the day that we're working on. So if this is August 3rd, I can highlight that day in yellow. Now, every time I'm going to reopen this template, I can tweak this message around and change the chapter number and the lesson number and the review number, but most of the message is going to stay the same. In addition to writing a message, I can add an attachment such as my syllabus. So now, every time my students open their email, the syllabus is right there, and I don't have to copy and paste it every single time I send a message. Before I save this, I have to go down and delete my signature. And the reason I want to do that is because every time I'm going to open the template, Outlook is automatically going to add a signature to it. So if I save it with a signature, the signature will appear twice. Once I'm done, I can go to File on the top left, click Save As, and then in this window, I'm going to go to the bottom right and change it from a message to a template, which is the second option from the top. I can name it anything I want, and I'm going to stick with the name Class Reminders. And I'm going to save it on my desktop, so it's going to be highly accessible for me. So I'm going to press Save. And now I can close this Outlook. Outlook is going to ask me if I want to save this, but I already saved it as a template, so I don't also need to save it as a message. And I'm going to say no. Now I'm going to close Outlook and go to my desktop. And right here on the top, I have my class reminder saved as an Outlook template. And anytime I'm ready to send my class a message, I can click on that. My message is going to reopen. I can change some of the information, for example, which chapter they have to read, or which lesson we're working on. And once I tweak the information, I can type my class email or the name of my students, and I can resend it to my class. Notice that my syllabus has been saved, so I don't have to paste it to the email again. And also, Outlook automatically added the signature back to the email message. So in this tutorial, we learned how to create templates and use them to send your students a reminder. And it's a great way to save time and make sure that your message is accurate. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.